This is cool, folks. Try to get it focused there. It says patented K Hutter, February 5th, 1893. You can make out something on the top here too, something brewery. Anyways, that's pretty cool. Check that thing out. Jawbone. Nom nom nom. Alright, on to the next. I think I got a bottle here, folks. Might be broke, might not be. Well, doesn't seem to be broke. Charles H. Fletcher. Cork top. Yeah, Castoria bottle. Nice. We'll take it. Well, I think that may be the first cork top Fletcher bottle I got. Alright. Nice find. Just dug this thing up, folks. I don't know what it is. Looks like it was on the corner or something, but it could just be bent that way. This hook on it is brass. Any ideas? I was digging down there, folks. Wasn't finding much past half hour, so thought I'd try up the hill here a little bit. First test dig right here. I see a bottle showing in there. Right there. Feels like it's loose, so. Yeah. Oh, some boss too. Awesome. Atwoods. See if I can get that focused on there. Jaundice bitters. And then formerly made Moses Atwood. Something. Georgetown, Massachusetts. Sweet. Nice bottle for how old it is. Hard to tell with all this mud, but looks like the seam ends right above the shoulder there. We're probably looking at 1870s, 1880s. Nice bottle. Catch it on the next one if I find anything else. Okay, folks, I recognize this. Check it out. Looks like one of those 1800s Victorian age ink bottles. Oh, it is. It's another one, and it's complete. Oh man, I can't believe that. That is amazing. Two for me in I don't know, in a month and a half. Awesome. Check it out. Impressive. That just made today worthwhile. Awesome. Catch us on the next one. Good day, folks. Back with a roundup here. Got this stuff all cleaned up. Started off, brought these plate shards home. They got a bit of gold gild on them. Flower gold wizards, eat your heart out. Look at the color there. That's right. We got this slick bottle. No embossing on it. It's just a slick panel side. We got Castoria. It's a Charles H. Fletcher's Castoria. See his signature on the side of it there. And that's a laxative bottle, and I figure it's probably from the 1880s, 1890s. Fletcher acquired his laxative formula in 1872, so it's going to be after that. And one of their slogans was "Babies cry for it." So that's an interesting little tidbit. This here, Atwood's Jaundice Bitters. That's another medicine bottle. Got that one dated from around 1890s to the 1900s. It was a cure-all type medicine. You take that for everything from jaundice to the common cold, apparently. It had a paper label on this side as well, right? And then it's embossed on the back side. This little slick bottle here, the seam's about 3/4 of the way up the neck. So that's probably, 1890s, 1900s. And it says on the bottom here, Toronto Pure Gold Manufacturing Company. It's embossed, and the only thing I could figure about that from looking online, the neck's all crooked there too, is it's possibly a baking powder bottle from the 1890s. I got a little glass stopper, turning amethyst. It's got a nice little pink tint to it. Brought home this bottle top, nice greenish color. My second, I got it numbered. Stoneware ink bottle, nice find. I was happy to get that. And this stopper I got right off the surface when I first got there. And it's Rochester Brewing. You can make out on here. You might not be able to see it, but that's what it says. And on the underside here, it's got a patent date of February 7th, 1893. I don't think you can see it there, but anyways, I couldn't find any info on Rochester Brewing. So, but the patent date on it is 1893, so that's interesting. So that's everything, folks. It was a pretty good little hunt. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have good luck and happy hunting on their outings, and over and out.